5316. Got a big area, a big seating area, and a room area. Of course, we have our balcony out here. Nice big balcony. Okay, we're gonna go back this way. Both American and Australian. Nice looking closet space. And there's a little storage. Regular seating area. 2 chairs. There's another closet. And it's also got this area. So there we go. It's got all kinds of stuff in this area. I'll get that later though. There you have it, cabin 5316 on the Carnival Luminosa. This was a premium balcony. It was a very nice room, but it could use a little updating. So this would be perfect for a family because it does have a large sitting area. The balcony is just a little bit deeper. I hope you enjoyed my video today on the Carnival Luminosa cabin 5316 premium balcony. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it's up to you to make it fun and make it yours. We'll see you the next time.